What a nice little bird feeder. You provide us with so much joy. I can't see any downside. Oh no. Oh no. I gotta do something about this. Okay. I think this should do the trick, but the problem is I don't want to suck up all the rocks. So I gotta come up with something. Maybe I can put something on the end of that. Bingo. That'll do. There we go. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh yeah, that is great! Nice! Leaving the rocks behind, taking up the seeds. I like it. Although it might need a little work. There we go. Still, I'd call that a win. It worked okay. So yeah, I'm not going to claim that was perfect, but it definitely worked okay. The biggest problem is that a lot of the stuff down there is wet, so it kind of globs up a bit. But it's definitely a lot better than it was, and for a 5-minute project, yeah, I'm happy.